Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways for small businesses to grow. It's also a great way for you to earn some extra money on the side. But it can be tricky. So, if you are considering becoming an affiliate marketer, here are 5 things you need to know before you start up. 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketers partner with companies who want more customers, and they get paid when someone buys something from that company's website or service after clicking on their link or banner ad. 2. Why should I do it? The best reason is that there are no upfront costs except your time, which is worth paying for. You'll make money without spending anything but time at first. Once you do get your website or blog up and running, you'll be able to advertise affiliate products and start earning commissions. 3. What do I need? To become an affiliate marketer, all you need is a computer laptop with internet access. Oh, and if you don't already have one, you'll also need a niche, a specific area of interest for your website, example, gardening, cooking, fitness. 4. How long will this take? The amount of time you put into it depends on how much effort you want to make and also whether or not you decide to do things like hire assistants and manage ads yourself, or let the company's services you partner with handle it for you. 5. How can I find companies to partner with? The best way is to look for popular websites in your niche and see if they have an affiliate program. For example, the company behind many top blogs, including HubSpot's marketing blog, Aweber, offers a free ebook on its website about affiliate marketing. If you check out Aweber's site, you can see how it lists ways to make money with the company and links to blog posts about affiliate marketing. That should give you some ideas on what other companies in your niche might do. Starting an affiliate marketing business can be a great opportunity, but many people get stuck at the first step, figuring out how to start. That's not a problem anymore. In this article, we will walk you through all you need to know about getting started with your own affiliate marketing business. No matter what niche you choose, there are opportunities for success in affiliate marketing. You don't have to be an expert marketer or even have any experience at all. All it takes is some research and patience and dedication. So take a deep breath and read on, because starting your very own affiliate marketing business doesn't have to be intimidating or difficult anymore. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that it's a business model that you can start with very little money. Many people start their businesses with just a few $100s. You don't need to have a lot of money saved up to get started, but you will need some to cover your initial costs. There are a few different ways to get started in affiliate marketing, and we will go over each one below. Products in your niche. An affiliate program is a company or organization that pays you a commission for sales generated through your referrals. You can find affiliate programs by doing a simple Google search or by searching for online directories. One great way to get started with affiliate marketing is by creating a blog and sharing your favorite products through product reviews and roundups. You can even add some ads or banner advertising on your blog so you can start earning money right away. If you don't want to create your blog, you can even sign up for Google AdSense, which allows you to put simple text-based ads on your website. This is a good place to start if you are looking for direct ways to earn money from affiliate marketing without having a website of your own or hiring someone else. More on that in the next section. If starting a blog doesn't sound like something that interests you, there are other ways to get started. You can create a YouTube channel and start reviewing products, or even do unboxing videos. You can also create a social media account like Instagram or Pinterest and share your favorite products with friends and followers. There are many different ways to get started in affiliate marketing, so don't feel like you have to do everything at once. Pick one method that you think sounds fun or interesting and go from there. Once you have chosen an affiliate program, it's time to start promoting it. This is where a lot of people get stuck because they don't know how to market their business. But don't worry, we will cover some basic marketing tips below. The best way to promote your affiliate marketing business is by finding your target audience. If you are starting a YouTube channel or blog, then the first thing you need to do is create videos that are relevant to your niche and upload them to YouTube. For social media accounts like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook, you will want to make sure that you are posting photos of things related to your niche. The next step is figuring out which ad networks you want to work with, if any. There are many different types of ads on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. You can choose only text-based ads or bid for video ads. You can also use Google Ads if these other options don't seem like something that would interest you. Many people start their businesses by promoting affiliate products through Google Ads since it's a good platform for them to make money. This is the main focus of the rest of this article. Google AdWords can be used to promote almost anything, including affiliate marketing offers. If you choose to get involved with Google AdSense or other ad networks, you will also need to create landing pages specific to your niche so that you can track how effective your traffic sources are. One way people do this is by creating an opt-in page where they offer something free in exchange for someone's contact information. The more subscribers you get, the more likely it is that you'll earn commissions from what they buy. Before you start promoting any product, no matter what method you choose, it's important to do your research. Figure out what the product is, how much it costs, and what the commission percentage is. You also want to make sure that you are familiar with the product so that you can recommend it confidently to your followers. When you are first starting, it might be a good idea to join an affiliate marketing forum and get some advice from more experienced marketers. This will help you avoid any major mistakes and give you a better idea of what to expect. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online, but it's not as easy as it seems. There is a lot of work that goes into creating a successful business, but if you are willing to put in the time and effort, then affiliate marketing can be a very rewarding way to make money online.